that I get invited to attend tonight with my Pakistani community friends. And Jermaine was attending with me like a couple of days ago in another political party, EFLN. And I said the same thing. I said, we could agree or disagree about the political achievement or political trends of any of the politicians, but at the end of the day, they tried hard to help their country. And I said that like I didn't know that the memorial for Nazir is coming, but I said sometimes they pay a very high price for their trying to change status quo. Could be their life, could be their families, could be even their freedom at some point of time, and but end of the day they tried, and we have to respect that. We have, it's here or there everywhere. It's they are trying to change things for the benefit of the people. They could sometimes be correct, sometimes they are wrong, and we can't judge what they did now because we have more information. It might not be available at the time when they took a decision. They took a decision at the best of their knowledge. Now we know more information and we can say, you know what, he was wrong. Yes, now we know that. He didn't know that at the time, okay? So out of respect, it's good to respect our symbol because this is also good for our second generation, because if every time a politician, we start talking about politicians and people start destroying him, how are we gonna have symbols or icons for our second generation? If all of them are crooks, all of them are bad people, all of them didn't do that, didn't do this, how we will have a second generation who respect politics and involved in the process? They will just stay out. That's not good for the community. So I'm really honored that I attend a memorial for some good icon politician who paid her life for what she believed good for her country. So thank you very much for inviting me. I enjoy all the time. I know that you are speaking Urdu. I still can follow part of the conversation. I don't speak fluently yet.